Hi all, welcome back. So today let us see birds. Birds. Birds have two legs. They have two wings. They have feathers. They are of different colors. They differ in size. There are birds that can fly and cannot fly. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-H. Ostrich. You can read it in like this also, or you can read by using the blends. O-S-T-R-H. Ostrich. Which is comfortable for your kids. You can teach them in that manner. E-G-A-O. Eagle. Owl. Owl. D-A-K. Duck. Parrot. P-A-R-A-T. Parrot. Hen. H-A-N. Hen. Kingfisher. K-I-N-F-A-S-H-R. Kingfisher. Crow. K-R-O. You can read like this, or K-R-O. Crow. CR is a blend. Peacock. P-E-C-O-C. Peacock. P-A-G-A-N. Pigeon. Here G is telling J sound because letter E is next to G. Bye bye. Thank you.